can see that the snow is still heavily coming down. It goes all the way up to our doorstep.
Look outside. Look, see the snow? Lots of it, huh?